Guys, so I wanted to show you this Bible journaling kit. Look how beautiful this box is. I mean, this thing is so gorgeous. So this is a really great kit for anyone just getting started, not sure what supplies you need, and just kind of want to buy one already put together. So you have this beautiful pink prayer journal. So it's got all the different places in here for notes, your prayers, today's verse, everything. Very nice. You have a pen bag to hold all of your highlighters, your pens, and of course it does come with all of that. So we have some colored pens here. You can never have enough colored pens when you're doing Bible journaling because you're going to want to write and take notes inside your Bible. And I mean, life is just better when it's full of color. I'm going to pull all of these out. So there's 6 different colors here. We have some black ink pens as well. So there are these here. These are just black ink, just regular writing. Let's see, we have 12 colored highlighters, which are perfect. The chisel tip, so it's perfect for highlighting the verses and everything. We have some different colored post-it or sticky notes. There's like 4 or 5 different colors in here. A black marker. Oh my gosh. Check these out. So some beautiful, let me pull these up here. Bookmarks. Look how beautiful these are. Absolutely gorgeous. You see that right there? And let's see. Oh my gosh. Bible emergency numbers. So you have it in pink on this side. And then you have some other ones on this side. So it's different ones on each side. And then of course you have, let me see here. And then, of course, we have some Bible note tabs. So put these to tab the different books in your Bible. These are really pretty. I just really love these earth tones. So overall, I think this is a really great starter kit. This would make a wonderful gift idea this holiday season, or if you're just looking for something for yourself to get started, this is definitely a great option.